So guys, for the first method, make sure that you're using an admin account. To do that, you want to go to search and type in control panel. Click on it. And now once you're on this, you want to make the view by on category and then select change account type. You want to find your account, double click on it, and then click on change the account type. Make sure that it's an admin account and then click on change account type. For the second method, you want to go to search and type in computer management. Click on it. And now once you're on this, on the left hand side, you want to expand local users and groups. Now you want to click on users. Now on the white space, you want to right click and then click on new user. And then try to add a new user through here. Just type in the username, full name. You can do password if you want to. And just fill out all these settings and then click on create. See if that works. For the next method, go to search and type in CMD. Now you want to run it as administrator. And then click on yes. And now once you're on this, you want to type in net space user space /add space. And now the username of the account that you want to add. For example, I'm just going to do like Speedy. And then if you don't want to do a password, then click on enter. If you do want to add a password, then do a space. And then type in the password that you want. And then click on enter. The new user account should now be created. That's how you do it.